Today we will discuss about division of a number by one digit divisor and division of a number by two digit divisor. Let us first start the division by one digit divisor. Suppose we have to divide 216 by 6. So, here 6 is the divisor and 260 is the dividend. We will proceed for long division method, that is in this way. Here the dividend and the divisor. Now see it here, 6 is one digit. So, let us first try the first leftmost digit of the dividend 2, but as 2 is less than 6, we will go for 2 digit. Take 2 digit, we get 21. Now proceed with the table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, but 24 is greater than 21. So, we will take 3, 6 3 is 18. Now subtracting we get 3. Now take the remaining digit from here, 6, 36. Again in the table of 6 we get 6 6 is 36. So, 6 6 is 36 and our division become complete. No remainder is here. We get quotient equal to 36. So, division is completed here. Suppose similar type of, we have to divide 1632 by 4. So, here 4 is the divisor. We will divide 1632 by 4. If we take the one digit, it is not possible because 1 is less than 4. We will take 2 digit, 16. Now go through the table of 4, we get 4 4 is 16. After subtracting, nothing is left here. Now we will take the next digit from the dividend, it is 3. Now we have to proceed. 4 1 is 4, which is greater than 3, but we can take 0, 4 0 0 and subtract. 3 is here. Now take the next digit 2, 32. Now 4 8 is 32. So, division is completed here and our result become 408. Therefore, we can write that quotient is here 408. Now suppose we are dividing the number 243 by 3. Let us first divide it. 43. Take first digit, not possible to divide. So, take the 2 digit, number become 24. 3 8 is 24. After subtracting, nothing is left here. Next take the 3 and we get 3 1 is 3. Division is completed, we get the quotient 81. Now suppose we have to check our division is correct or not, then how can we check it? There is a process. First we note down the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Here dividend equal to 243, okay, and divisor equal to 3, quotient equal to 81 and nothing is remainder here. So, remainder will be 0. Now we can use the formula to find the, to check the division is correct or not, that dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. This is the formula to check your division is correct or not. So we will just find this part from the formula. We will just find this part, divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor here? 3 is the divisor. Quotient 81 and remainder 0. So divisor into quotient plus remainder, this become 3 into 81 plus 0. If we multiply 81 by 3, we get 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24, 243 and also plus 0. So 243 plus 0 we get 243, and this is the dividend, check it. So we are getting divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So our result is correct and it is checked. So in this way we can check our division is correct or incorrect. Now let us come to another example. We will divide and check whether our result is correct or not. Okay. The question is, suppose there was 3 number 4 question. Let me take 467 divided by 6. We first will divide and then check our result is correct or not. So we will divide 467 by 6. 1 digit not possible. Take 2 digit. Now go through the table of 6. 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48. So we will take 7. 6 7 is 42. After subtracting we get 4. Now take the next digit 7. 47 we get. Now again proceed with the table of 6. 6 8 is 48 we already get, but which is less than greater than 47. So again 6 7 is 42 and subtracting we get 5. After that there is no digit left in the dividend, so this becomes the remainder in this case. So note down here, dividend equal to 467. Okay, divisor, this divisor equal to 6, quotient equal to we get 77 and also remainder we get equal to 5. Now we have to check our result is correct or not. For this we will find this divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now here divisor is 6, multiply quotient is 77 plus remainder is 5. Let us first find the multiplication between 77 and 6. So proceed. 6 7 is 42, 4 carry, 6 7 is 42 plus 4 46, 462. 462 plus remainder 5 was there, add we get 467 and check 467 was the dividend. So our result is made, it is correct we get, and this is checked that our result is correct. So in this way we can check. Okay. So these things was division by a 1 digit number. Now coming the next one topic, which is division of a number by 2 digit number. Suppose in case of 2 digit number I am taking, we have to divide 550 by 25. So 25 is the 2-digit divisor. Let us divide how. 25 550. Now obviously we have to take first 2 digit, try it. Yes, we can take it because 55 is greater than 25. Now prepare a table for 25. 25 1 ja 25, 25 2 ja we get 50, and 25 3 ja 75, but 75 is greater than 55, so we cannot take 3, we will take 2 and 50. Now subtracting we get 50. Again proceed, we get 25 multiplied 2 equal to 50. So division is completed here. So for 2-digit number we will prepare the table at the side so that we can extract the numbers that we want, the result that we want. So here we get quotient under 22, and what will be the remainder in this case? Nothing remainder, that is remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Now suppose find quotient and remainder. For the following case, suppose the numbers are 802 divided by 48. So here the divisor is 48, we have to divide the number 802 by 48 in this way. Let us take first 2 digit, make a table for 48 at the side. 48 multiply by 2, you can do the multiplication at rough and put it here. 2 8 is 16, 6 1 carry, 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9, 96. But see, 96 is greater than this 80, so we will take 1. 48 1 ja 48. Now subtract 10 minus 8, 2, borrowed 1 from here, so we get 4 1 5 3, 32. Now take the next digit from here, 2, 322. Now we get here 48 multiplied 2 equal to 96. Now proceed it by 3. 48 3 ja 3 8 ja 24, 2 carry, 3 4 ja 12 plus 2 14, 144. Okay, we have to come until we cross the 322. Now 48 4 ja 4 8 ja 32, 3 carry, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 19, 192. In this way we will proceed. Let us guess 48 by 7. Okay, so 7 8 ja 56, 5 carry, 7 4 ja 28 plus 5 33, 336. See, 336 is greater than 322, so we should take 48 into 6 and see whatever the result is coming here. 6 8 ja 48, 4 carry, 6 4 ja 24 plus 4 28, 288. Yes, you can take it by 6, 288. Subtract here 2 means 12 minus 8 4, 1 borrowed from here, 8 plus 1 9 plus 3 12, 1 borrowed from here 34, and see 34 is less than 48. Moreover, there is no digit left in the dividend, so 34 is the remainder. Quotient becomes 16, so in that case we get a remainder. So here note down divisor, dividend, first dividend equal to 802. Okay, Just we have to write the quotient and remainder. So let us write the quotient and remainder here. Quotient is here 16, and what is the remainder? 34. Write down remainder equal to 34, and this complete the division. Now let us come, suppose we have to divide and check. 7 number, I think. Yes, question number 7. Divide and verify your answer. Okay, and the division is given, suppose 4956 division by 14. So let us divide 4956 by 14. Take the 2-digit number 49. 14 1 ja 14, 14 2 ja 40, 14 2 ja 28, 14 3 ja 42. You know the table of 14. 14 4 ja 56. If you know, then okay. If you don't know, then prepare the table at the side. But 14 4 ja 56 is greater than 49. So we will take 3. 14 3 ja 42. 42. Subtract. We get 7. Now take only one digit from here, 5, 75. Again proceed with the table of 14. 14 4 ja 56, 14 5 ja 70, 14 6 ja 84. So we cannot take 84, so we should take 5. 14 5 ja 70. Now 5 is the subtraction result. Now take the 6 here, 56. 14 4 ja 56. Division is completed. Now here we get only the quotient 354. Remainder is 0. Here the remainder is 0. Now we have to verify our answer. Here we get that dividend equal to 4956. This is the dividend, and divisor equal to 14. Quotient we get 354. And what is the remainder? 0. Nothing is left here, so 0 is the remainder. Now you have to check our result. For this one we will do these things: divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. What is the divisor here? Divisor 14 multiply quotient 354 plus remainder 0. Let us first multiply 14 and 354. Multiply it. First with 4. 4 4 just 16 6, 1 carry. 4 5 just 20 plus 1 21, 2 carry. 4 3 just 12 plus 2 14. Give a cross sign just below 6. Multiply it by 1. 1 4 just 4, 1 5 just 5, 1 3 just 3. Now add 6, 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 5 9, 3 plus 1 4, 4 9 5 6. So multiplying we get 4956 plus 0. So the result is 4956, and check, this is the dividend. So this is equal to dividend. So our result is completed here. It is already checked. Result is correct. So in this way we can divide any number by a 2-digit number, and also we can verify the result. Let us take another example. Suppose we have to divide this one, 5-digit number 27,954 divided by 24, 2-digit divisor. Let us first divide. First we will take the 2-digit, 25 1 is 25, subtracting we get 2, take the next digit 9, again 25 1 is 25, subtracting we get 4, take the next digit 5, 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50, we will take again 1, 25, subtracting we get 20, 20. Now take the next digit 4, 204, and we know that 25 multiply 8, we get 200. After subtracting we get 4, there is no digit left, so 4 becomes the remainder. Quotient become 1118, 1118 is the quotient, and remainder is 4. Okay. Now let us first note down that dividend equal to this number, divisor equal to 25, quotient equal to 1118, and remainder equal to 4. So these things. Now suppose we have to check our result is correct or not. So for this one we will multiply the divisor and quotient and then add with the remainder. So let us write that divisor multiply quotient, divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Divisor was 25, quotient was 1118, and remainder was, what was the remainder here? 4. Sorry, remainder was 4. Let us multiply first 25 and 1118. 5 8 is 40, 0, 4 carry, 5 1 is 4, 5 1 is 5 plus carry 4, 9, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 9 0. Give a cross sign just below 0. Now multiply it by 2, 2 8 is 66, 1 carry, 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. Now add 0, 9 plus 6 15, 5 1 carry, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, 5 plus 2 7 2. So we get 27950 and add this with 4. So we get 27954, and see, this is the dividend. So our result is correct and it is checked. Okay. So in this way we can divide and then verify also that our result is correct or not. So this was the total topic for today, division by 1-digit number and division by 2-digit number. Next class or next video I will prepare another things, another topic will go. Okay, thank you and goodbye.